Hi everyone, welcome to Psych 112. Okay, we're going to go over the first week, which is lesson 1 and 2. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read the announcements. If you click on your Psych 112 thing up in the corner that announces the class, it will get you to the announcements. And in the announcements, I put a lot of information that's very important. Things that are due, more specific instructions. So you're going to want to read all that, and you're also going to get what's due. And I also include in the first week some of the chapters that you're going to need in case you have not got your book yet. Okay, so what you're going to do is you want to go to the content. This is going to tell you everything you need to know about what you're going to do this week. Week 1, lesson 1 and lesson 2. You have lesson 1 introduction, which is always good to look at because that gives you an idea of what is due this week. For example, if you scroll down here, it'll tell you everything that's due right here. And then you can check the calendar for the due dates. So you want to do that. And then you can use these little buttons here to go to the next part of the lesson. So it's going to show you everything you need in this lesson. This is the activity directions, things like that. So we're going to go back to week 1. And it goes through every lesson. So you want to click on or every activity in the lesson. So you're going to want to click on everything, okay? Some students will miss it if they don't click on every activity. So starting in lesson 1, we have the course introduction, is welcome to the course, required materials. There is a syllabus and a syllabus quiz. So you read the syllabus and then take the quiz. Visit my online office. You have chapter 1 and 11 quizzes, a survey, which you have to type in some answers for that, a question area, and then we start study skills discussion board this week. It runs all week. And then you schedule your practice interview, which is going to be, you have to have done by lesson 4. So we schedule it early because it's very difficult to get appointments. It fills up really fast, so we want to schedule it soon. So let's go to the discussion board. It gives you, when you click on the activity, it gives you everything you need to know to do the discussion board. So it tells you step 1, you're going to post to the discussion board. You start a new thread and introduce yourself to your group members so they can get to know you a little better. Maybe say where you're from, some of the things you like to do in your major, whatever you would like to share. Then state which article you would like to read. Be sure to pick one that has not been chosen in your group yet. So this is discussion board as you're going to go over these several articles and select one to go over with your group, okay? You do have to post first, so you have to post to the study skills board before you can see who's in your board. So that's why the introduction is very helpful. Okay, and then this is very important because a lot of students miss this. You have to report your discussion board participation. Your grade depends on this. It's 100 points. I don't grade your discussion board. I look and make sure that you are posting honestly, but you are the one who grades yourself on your discussion board. And if you don't do it, you don't get the points. So you report your discussion board. You click on it, and it's like it's a quiz. You answer, I made my initial post by the calendar date. I replied to 2 of my classmates. And was your group able to answer the questions together? You answer all of those questions, okay? So that is your discussion board. And the discussion board, you have to do an initial post in lesson 1. So the first post you do, the initial post, has to be done in lesson 1. And then in lesson 2, you continue with your responses to your classmates, okay? So lesson 2, now we move on to lesson 2. It still has the introduction, which gives you everything you need, a chapter 2 quiz. This is the continuation of the study skills activity, the study skills discussion board. And then you have a quiz over the study skills discussion board, and the articles you read and the discussion you have with your classmates will help you with the study skills quiz. It'll help you study for that. Then you create your own multiple choice questions, okay? You're going to create 3 multiple choice questions, not true false. They're all multiple choice, okay? You want to go through there and do it just like it says in the activity. It gives you an example, okay? You use the following format for your questions because you're learning what makes a good multiple choice question. And you're going to tell me why it's a high quality question, meaning that why you, not necessarily for the content, but why you pick those answers and the order that they're in, and why that makes it a good high quality question. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to our previous page. Okay, then the other thing you're going to submit is your plan for success. You're going to use this template, okay? Use this template, and you need 2 goals plus the template. Use the template. And then you're going to put in times, just like right here are the times. You need to put in estimated times for everything on here, okay? It's kind of like, just kind of a schedule. And you need to do that, and that will give you full points. Here's the rubric. Here's how I'm going to grade it. You use the template, you estimate your time activity, you update the schedule to fit you, and you set 2 goals. That's simple as that, and submit it. Okay. So that's for the first 2 weeks. Remember that this right here, the Monday through Wednesday, we're kind of off on our block, so it's going to be actually Thursday. We're just going to swap that for Thursday through Saturday, and this is going to be Monday and through Wednesday. And I changed the due dates in the calendar for you for that. So remember that. And then the last thing you do is the self-assessment survey just at the end of the week. So that will be Wednesday. So anyway, that's it for the week. If you have questions, please post them to the questions and conversation, which was back in lesson 1 right here, and I'll be glad to answer those. Or you can email me. That's fine if you have something that's specific you want, but others might have questions about that. So that's it. Have a good week, and I look forward to getting to know you guys.